back to the channel. My name is onvinyl. Welcome, guys. Today I'm going to be testing a new HTV, meaning heat transfer vinyl. It's a new Siser Puff Metallic HTV, and I've never done it before, so I wanted to try it for the first time. So we're going to be doing this together, guys. I can't wait to start, so let's get started. I am in Cricut Design Space, and this is the design that I'm going to be working with. So I'm going to be using the new Siser Metallic Puff, and the one that I'm going to be using the puff with is this one right here, where it says Feelings. The rest of the design is going to be done with regular Siser HTV. The offset, which is very thin, I'm going to be use metallic, but regular metallic Siser HTV. Okay. So once I'm here, I'm going to go to make sure you have the correct cutting machine selected, which I do. And I'm going to position this into the center, make sure that it's all centered in here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mirror everything, make sure that everything is mirrored, okay, because we're working with HTV. I'm going to select this one and I'm going to mirror as well. And I'm going to select this one and I'm going to mirror as well. All of my designs are mirrored. Verify that they are, and they are. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to continue. Of the material that I have here, I'm going to choose everyday iron on because that's what I'm using. In my case, I always use more. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to prepare my mats, and I will see you when it's time to cut the vinyl. Okay, see you in a little bit. So I am using the same instructions as the iron-on material, which is placing the shiny side down, this part of the puff down, and the white part facing you. Okay, so I'm going to take you now to the cutting machine. The next thing is placing the mat on the cutting machine. A lot of you have already experience working with Cricut, so I am explaining this just for those who are beginners working with Cricut. Okay, I'm going to press this flashy button in here. The next step is to push in the C on this model machine. Is at the C right here. Letter C. And it's gonna go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the other mats ready to go. All right, see you in a little bit. Guys, and this is done, and I'm gonna place the other one, which is gonna be cutting on the regular HTV. I'm gonna be working with the regular metallic iron on. And I wanted to show you this is the way my material came to me because they didn't have the regular roll, so I bought 5 sheets of 12 by 12. That's what they had available at the time that I got it, and I got it from Atlanta Vinyl. Okay. So I'm going to take this off and I'm going to bring the next one in. So this is the next one. This is the regular HTV metallic color, gold metallic. We're going to start. And I'm going to repeat the same thing with the green HTV, all right? So I will see you back once I'm done weeding all 3 mats, all right? See you in a little bit, people. I forgot to mention that this is my own design. I will be having this available on the form on rhinestone template digitally, and also I'm going to include the SVG and PNG file in the near future. I will let you know as soon as they are available on my Etsy shop. I started the process of weeding vinyl, and I started with the green one. Next one is going to be the metallic color in gold. Both of them are from Siser. Actually, the three of them, including the puff vinyl, are from Siser, and I like using this brand because it's very easy to work with. It's very easy to weed. You're gonna see how easy I finish this process in a couple of minutes. So I am done, and the next step is to take this to the press to press the shirt. So guys, see you over there. We started the process of pressing the shirt, and I'm going to be running this at 2 different temperatures. The outline and the feel of the outlines are running for the same temperature as an easy width HTV, which is 305 for 10 to 15 seconds. The metallic one, I need to let it cool. So that's why I'm going to press it first. I'm going to let it cool, and then I'm going to press the fill, all right? For the easy puff or the metallic puff, that takes a temperature of 380 Fahrenheit for 10 seconds, all right? And that one is a hot peel. And that one is going to get pressed twice, okay? So I'm going to walk you through the whole process while I'm going, okay? So first, we're going to press this. I already placed it here, so it's easier for me to do it. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to press this. And all of them are medium pressure, which sometimes I have a hard time to tell. That's why I'm using Biggie. I forgot to mention Biggie, which is my 16 by 24 inches press, because I can control more the amount of pressure than my automatic HTV run. The HTV run senses the pressure, and you cannot be so specific. So that's why I didn't want to take any chances, especially with the puff, which I've never done on the metallic. That's why I'm using Biggie, all right? So it's going, and okay, so I'm gonna let it cool. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take it off here so it cools faster. And I'll be back when it's cold, okay? and I'm gonna press the fill, all right? And because this is easy weed, I can peel it either warm or cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool, because since this one is a cool peel, I don't want anything to be detached in case it touches the outline. I'm gonna let it cool the whole thing and just go, with the safe process, okay? So let me place this here first. I'm just making sure that I'm getting everything positioned. And I'm gonna go to the breast again. So these are gonna be pressed more than twice, because the puff metallic, you need to press it twice. So, and like I told you before, I've never done the puff metallic. It's gonna be my first time. Hopefully it's gonna work fine. So I'm gonna let it cool because of the metallic outline, okay? So this shirt is a make market from Michaels. It's a large size. The make market tend to run a little bit smaller than the Gildan. It's 100% cotton. For me, it has like a different fit. Let's put it that way. Maybe it's not that it's smaller, but it has like a different fit. I'm so used to the Gildan fit on t-shirts that, Okay, so let's do this. Look at how pretty this combination of this green with the navy blue. I was gonna pick a black shirt and then I changed my mind. And I picked the navy blue. I think it's beautiful. So now, people, the time of truth. Let's do this puff. I'm so like, because I don't know. I've seen other people testing it for the first time and the result is amazing. So that's why I wanted to do it and just bring you in on the whole experience of doing it for the first time for me. So I'm gonna place it. And this is, like I mentioned before, my own design. And I can't wait to, to show it to you guys. It becomes fine when it comes to the puff. It's gonna be a victory for me. Okay. I'm placing it to make sure that it is precise where I want it. Okay. I think this is good. You see, I don't know how much it's gonna puff. That's why I want to give some distance between the outline, the regular metallic outline, and the puff. So I think this is pretty good. Let me move it a little bit higher here. And separate it a little bit in here. Yeah. Okay. Let's go, people. Now I have to go ahead and lower the temperature, and then I'm gonna bring you back once I reach 280 Fahrenheit. We have to go lower now, okay? I'll bring you back when I'm done, okay? Okay, people, are you ready? Because I'm ready. You might not see my face because I brought the camera closer so that you can have a closer look, all right? Hopefully you will be able to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the camera to see if you have a good view. For 10 seconds at 280 degrees. Okay, so the first one is not gonna puff much. It says not to move it out of the thing, so I'm not gonna move it. So I'm gonna leave it there. Second press is for the same amount, but it's gonna be for 10 seconds with the parchment paper on, okay? Let's see, people. Let's see. Whoa, it's puffing. Look. Wow. Did you see it, people? Let me bring the camera closer. This is the result. This is the puff. Look. Isn't that beautiful? It is beautiful. Do you see the puff, people? Yeah. Okay. So I am happy. Everything came out so beautiful. Look at that, people. Oh, wow. Look at this. Let me see if I can put it. You see? Compare it with this one. Look at this. You see how high it is? So guys, look at the results. I am so happy the way it came out. I love this puff metallic vinyl. If you have any questions on how to do the whole process again, you can ask those questions down below on the description box, okay? If you're new to the channel and you have not subscribed yet, consider subscribing to my channel if you like this content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way we will notify you of all my future videos, okay? Guys, I wanted to also let you know that Ricoma right now is running a sale. It's gonna run all the way through the February 23rd, and they have a sales including embroidery machines, DTF, white toners, and DTG, and other equipment. So you can go ahead and check it out. I have a link down below on my description box, and that is a referral link where you can click it and you can ask all those questions about their equipment and the sales that they are running, okay? So guys, I think this is everything for now. Thank you for spending this out with me. Until next time, bye. Hasta luego.